Hi, I'm Grace, and Alexis is over in the corner. She's just getting ready for the burp contest we're getting ready to have. I'm sorry, my phone kind of just died, so we're going to have to do it on this smallish thing. Okay, so Alexis, come on, we got to do the burping contest. No. Okay, Alexis is too much of a baby to do it, so I guess I'm just going to have to do it. There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was waiting for that when I felt it.
As much as I can do, okay. A lot of work. Okay, so got Dr. Pepper.
Really
You?
Okay, I might was my deepest. I don't have the longest, but it was the deepest. Okay, now we have to go to my keys so I can get it. Okay, Grace.
I know it's kind of disgusting, but, you know, people are bored. It's fun. And don't do it too much, or else the acid in your stomach will, like, ugh. I've had it happen to me before. It's not fun. It burns. And you have to brush your teeth after that for, like, probably 25 minutes. Because the acid in your stomach is really bad for your teeth. Like, what?
I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm not smart like that. Grace, we gotta go.
And my final burp. Okay. I can already feel the stomachache coming on. That's not good.
Okay. I think we've had enough with burping, Grace.
Okay, that's it. Thanks, bye. Don't get too grossed out. If you try it, I bet you could do maybe better than me. Probably better than Alexis, but she had a pretty good one there.
Yeah. Yeah,
bye.